All right, how's everybody doing out there today? This is Dan Muscarella coming at you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Adobe Creative Cloud back onto your account in LCPS, should you be the lucky recipient of a re-image computer or a brand new device. So the first thing you want to do is go down the lower left-hand corner and you can start to type in Adobe Creative Cloud, and you'll see it will automatically populate up there at the top of your screen in the upper right left hand corner. So you'll go there, you'll select that, but wait, there's more logging in to do. You're going to use your short LCPS email address. You'll click continue, but wait, there's more. You're going to need to retype that sign-in procedure again, and you will need to enter your password as well. So once you get done with that, you will be prompted to sign in. And yes, we want to stay signed in, of course. And then give it a minute. It'll be loading Creative Cloud. And for some people, you may see an update being done there. It'll take a few moments. But then once all the apps are loaded, you will now have Creative Cloud on your device, which syncs all of the Adobe products. So Adobe Acrobat Reader is probably the one most people will be most familiar with, because that's what we use to open and read PDFs and edit them, etc. So those apps will be loaded. Now, how will you know that you're logged into the Creative Cloud? I'm glad you asked. So if you go over here into the upper right-hand corner, you'll see this little blue kind of circly thing over there where it says account. When you click on that, and this is bizarre, it'll actually have your long email address, not a short one, but that is the way you will know that you are correctly signed in to Adobe Creative Cloud. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon, my friends. Make it a wonderful day as always. Peace out.